Hi again. In this tutorial, I need to create these two pieces. So let's see how can we create them. I will bring this option back to global, and I will hit number 3 to jump to the bright view. And let's see how can we do that. Let's hit Shift A to add, and let's add cylinder, and it is very big. Let's change this to maybe 5 centimeter, and the depth the same thing. And hit G to move it, and let's bring it this right here, and S to scale it a bit and make it a bit smaller. Let's hit G and let's put this right here, almost here. Make it a bit bigger, and there we go. Now let's see what we got. We got this result. Tap to the edit mode. Sorry. I just accidentally turned off these options. Now tap to the edit mode and hit 3 to jump to the face. Grab this, XF to delete it, and switch to the edge. Alt click to select this edge, entire edge loop. Control B to bevel it. And as you see, the bevel is not working correctly because of the scaling. So I need just to I need to tap to the object mode and hit Control A to apply the scale, and now it should work. Tap to the edit mode, Control B, bevel this a bit, almost right here, and that's cool. Well, now hit 3, select this face, hit I to insert, and E to extrude it up from the right view. Let's see, where should we extrude it? Almost right here, and hit E again to extrude this again right here. Scale it a bit. G, move it down, scale it a bit just like that, and then hit E to extrude this up, maybe scale it a bit, and hit E to extrude this more right here, and then switch to the face. Alt click to select this entire edge loop, hit Alt E to extrude along normal, and extrude it just like that, and there we go. Now we got this. If that doesn't satisfy you, you can scale this back, hit Alt S, and take this back a bit if you want. Well, now after that, what we can do is let's see what we can do here. I will select these edges, this entire edge loop, and maybe I need to add an edge right here, Control R, and maybe I need to delete these faces, XF, and grab these two edges, and grab this entire edge loop. Alt click this one, and hit E to the Z, and take those down, just like that. And let's see what we can do here. Alt click and Control B for bevel, and let's bevel this to 2, maybe, or 3 edges, just like that, and grab this one in the middle, Alt S, and take this down to make some edge right here. The same thing for this piece right here. Alt click, Control B maybe, or I can add an edge, Control R, just like that, and delete these faces, or you can extrude them back and then hit XF to delete them. That's gonna work too. From the right view, you can switch to wireframe and grab these faces, G, and take them up. Again, G, take them up a bit, just like that. And cool, we got this result here. Well, now let's grab these edges, Control B to give them a bevel. That's nice. And the entire piece, I will give it shade smooth and go to the auto smooth option and activate it, and crank this back until I got the edge that exists right here. So I need to take this down until I got this edge. As you see now, I got it. But that's cause another problem right here because the angle is very small. So I need to take this up a bit. I think that's gonna work. I think 18 is the right number, but it's not gonna work for this piece, as you see right here. So I need to crank this up more. Alright, I think that's not gonna work. What I will do is, sorry, I need to select this one. I will give this a bevel manually, Control B, and just bevel it. I think that's gonna work. You can add a bevel here to smooth this area, or you can ignore it, or you can give it manual bevel if you want. Tap to the edit mode, alt click, Control B, for example, just like that. And the same thing here for this one. Sorry. Control B for bevel. And let's see, where should we add a bevel? Maybe right here. Control B. That's cool. When you complete, we can give it weight normal modifier that will fix the normal and give it nice look. So let's try that, and as you see, the result now is different. The normal now is better. After that, just apply it. We don't need it anymore. Well, now what else we can do here? Let's see what we can do here. We can maybe, I think I need to fill this area just temporarily. So select it, hit F to fill this area just for now. Let's go to the right view and let's rotate this. Hit R to rotate it just like that, and hit G to move it, and just align it with this piece. R again, and I need to extend this more. Hit G, Z again twice to move it to the local normal, and just move it just like that. That's cool. Well, now from the right view or the left view, Control 3. Alright, now we got this result, and now I need to add an edge right here. How can I do that? I will use knife tool. So just hit K from the keyboard, and K, just hit K, sorry, and make a cut from almost right here and move the mouse here to this point. But if I confirm the cut will not go through and cut everything. So what I need to do, I need to hit Z from the keyboard just to cut through, and just put your eye right here on this information right here. So when you do that, Z, and now when I make the cuts and hit enter, confirm it, as you see here, the cut goes through and cut everything. After that, when you be satisfied, just bevel this result, Control B, with maybe 3 lines, and grab this one in the middle, and Control S to scale this, and Alt S to scale this down, and grab this edge, hold here to grab this one, and bevel it, Control B, just like that. And now it's cool. Maybe I need to add weight normal again. Let's add this to correct the result. And here I have a face, I don't want it. Let's select it and hit XF to delete it. I don't want it anymore. Now I should have clean our result. Apply the weight normal. Now I got this. So let's hit G and move it. Shift D to duplicate it, and let's have one right here. And there we go. I think this is shorter than this one, so I need to just take this down. Tap to the edit mode, go to wireframe, grab all of these faces, and I need to move them I need to move them down, so hit key and Z twice to the local Z and just move this a bit down, and there we go. Now I think I just deactivated these accidentally, and we almost finished here. We don't have much information, we just need to duplicate these pieces on the other side, and that's it for the modeling section. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.